Get him.
You're my new best friend right now. I can go out the window, I don't care. Hot tire.
This is my favorite trip. Yeah. Wait, is there some key lights? No. Oh, there's only 3 cars.
I'm having fun, can you guys tell?
Oh, yeah. Just a little bit.
So each lap you've done tonight, can you tell based on your load change and your weight changes and all that, can you feel it?
Yeah,
Totally?
yeah.
I can only imagine that. You can feel it if you've got a heavy back end or something.
Yeah, when there's 4 or less people in the car, I can feel the
You can really
change.
feel it, huh? That's awesome. I'm convinced once again my max is going to do a lot more than I allow it to.
Be a fun ride home.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you think Mom would take this?
She would hate it.
For that wonderful ride.
No problem.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
That's about the last one this car can do.
I think so too.
That left front tire's not too happy right now.
Oh man, it was mad 3 laps ago. I saw it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
But I was still gonna hold out for that one more ride.
Sure.
Fabulous, Jared. Thank you.
No
Yes,
problem.
thank you.
Thanks for riding.
Woohoo! Alex, what'd you think?
Again, fucking awesome. I think that's
Yeah.
the review.
What else can you say?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Where are ya?